really dark cloud. Oh my god, I hope I got that on video. I wasn't looking at the camera whenever I was recording the cloud. Darkness. I wish I could record the whole sky. I'm gonna go in now. Not really. I lied. Ooh. I'm glad I didn't go in. I put my hand on the window instead of the door. I'm so dumb.